join, bro?
Ay,
No?
patayin nyo yan.
Yo, bro, come to, guys, boys, come to me. This one you see me? This one you see me? They're stepping up, come southeast.
Clear mobs.
Yeah, come southeast, keep boys southeast. Can you zone in, bro?
Wala, not following Marjan.
Yeah, hold there. Wait, hold there.
Bumalik sila ng chok.
Food check OC. Come north.
Patayin niyo yung mob.
Kill the mobs. Vera will not fight
Ayun na,
along
inching
us sa
up
ally. Only us, boys, okay? Only us. Wait, come southeast again. Alright, come southeast again. Hold. 14, we're 14.
Looking at shallow.
We're good. Yup, hold.
BBM.
Hold. Come southeast again. Come southeast again. Hold.
Guardron.
Yup. Drag them here to the rocks. Come southeast more. Hold there now, boys. Hold there.
I can pick.
Hold there.
Pick
Hold
up,
there,
pick up.
Tatsu. Wait, hold. Hold it, careful on Supremo. Ready guard sa Supremo. Wait, hold. Def on Supremo. Def on You're engaging shallow northwest now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 shallow northwest now. Wala. Come southeast. It's okay. Come southeast. Hold there.
Circling.
Hold the chokes, boys. Hold the
Neha
rocks.
ba?
Careful
4
detox
seconds.
in front. Careful.
Ready na.
Bam.
Ready.
They're looking. Tell me cities. Come west.
Ready.
Ready.
Gino, in 5, 4, 3, ano na Gino?
Uy, perma yun.
Ang perma gago sa taas ng ano.
Sorry.
Nasa group.
Dab.
Careful north east side, they have. Come south.
Long
Hold there.
Long sige.
Yo, detox. Yo, can we catch them? When they go to the choke? Kapag ka nagiging
5
to the choke.
seconds.
Hold there.
Ready na.
Holding.
Bam
Holding.
stocking.
Funny videos.
Holding. Keep holding. Careful. They look.
Ouch ang babs ha.
Nakamark ng sword yung sa
Careful,
party.
they look.
Kaya ko yung
Atin ba yun? Perma ba natin yun?
Hindi.
Sa atin yan, si Mr. Nob.
Pwede ka mag-pick perma. May
Just hold.
Crab.
Just hold.
Pwede namin fake niche yun. Magpapatsa lang ako.
Alright.
Ready heal na lang.
Yo, faking sa color nila. 3, 2, 1. Faking sa color nila. Come back. Ang sakit ng fake natin, gago.
Mas masakit siya sa akin eh.
Brim.
Hold it. Holding.
Kahit yung sila.
Bam. Engaging dart was now. 5, 4, 3. On the bomb ng head.
Engage pa. Engage.
Step on my west. Push through cycle. Walk.
Ang laki niyan.
Detox catch them. Bro, beside sila. Careful inside of them. Careful.
Ready na, Martin.
Walk. You're engaging deep northwest now on the collar now. In 5, 4, 3, northwest. Wala ako nakatch. Come southeast. Detox spins.
Long CD.
Careful shallow. Detox spins. Pero side
Looking at the wall.
come southeast.
Long CD, Martin.
Bakit kasi may alay dito? Hayaan mo siya.
Ditang don't push too much.
Holding.
They're on the choke. Basta choke.
Ready na.
Come up. Step up. Don't go through the choke, okay? Don't go through the choke. Hold there.
Clear off with the wall.
Hold there. Let them. They're just dragging us. Let them. Hold. Now you step up. Wait, come back. Hold there. Come south of me. Yo, play southeast side, boys. Play southeast side, DPS. Hold. Holding.
Yep. 3 engage. Brim,
Guard
Witchwork,
rin
and
natin.
main engage.
Just guard on the brim, boys.
Kulit na to.
Yup. Alright. Hold.
Cycle guard rin.
Just hold, boys. Just hold.
You can fake
Careful
it.
detox in front, Careful detox in front. Can we silent guard run in front, please?
Pag mag-fake na ako, palagyan guard rin.
They look, that's another thing. Oh, what the fuck was that? Silver Glade,
Ano pa yun ha? Mag-gate.
cycle mo na. They're looking, careful shallow. They look. Get ready to headbutt, boys. Wait, hold.
Right side dyan.
Hold it. Holding still.
West side, west side.
Get a fake occult as well. Fake now. 3, 2, 1. Fake now. Fake now, hold it. Holding. They do it.
Okay now.
Engage deep north is now in 5, 4, 3, don't deep north is now. Hit, big gala, tara, big. Nice kill, come back. Hold the choke, boys. Pre-meeting.
Cycling ako.
Pass. Nice one. Cycle, boys. Cycle, pass.
Tap pa.
Ready now, Martin. Ready.
Holding. They looking. Ready, come south. They looking. Come south a bit. They looking. Come south. They looking. Deep is now in 5, 4, 3, don't deep is now. Hit. Nice hit, boys. Nice hit. Good job. Then come back. Nice hit. I like it. I like that shit. Come back. Details, come back. Yep, come south. Walk south is east now. Walk.
Toss can away ah. Toss can away.
Ready now,
Careful,
Martin.
shallow details. Careful details. They might farm you. Details. Careful. Walk. Details. Careful. Walk. Walk, boys. Walk. Keep walking. Careful, shallow. They look. Walk now. Details, guys.
Gineko, malaki.
Fake on the J. Fake now. 3, 2, 1. Fake. You're engaging deep. South is top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep. South is now. Hit. Wala. Then walk. Wait, hold. They look.
Okay, north.
Second. That's a fake. They have now. 3, 2, 1. They should have now. Careful, details in front.
3 seconds ako.
Walk. Careful, they have. Careful, they have. Walk now. Walk.
Ready anytime,
Careful,
Martin.
Walk. Pag nag-turn sila GA, Tatsu. Pag nag-turn GA, okay? Walk east. Walk for now. They will surely turn to choke, ha? Magte-turn yan sila sa choke, ha? Walk for now. Walk. Can you hold the backline? Hold. Careful, shallow. They look. Bam. Hold it. Yo, fake on the choke now. 3, 2, 1. Fake now. Wala akong fake. Hold. Holding. Bad angle, boys. Hold. Stay away from the choke. Stay away from shallow. Careful, shallow. They look. They look. We're too spread, boys. We're too spread.
Saan kayo ng chok? Northwest kayo ng chok.
Northwest kami. Hold. Careful. They look. Bam. Holding. Next J. Wait, holding. They look shallow, ha. They look. Wait, hold. Holding.
Tangle.
Yup, it's okay. That's why we holding. Hold. Let them in chop, boys. Details, don't. Huwag kayo sumilip. Just hold. Let them. Are they kiting?
They're walking south.
They're kiting south. Yeah, come walk now. Careful, they might turn back. They're turning back. Come northwest. Come northwest. Okay, then
Defend.
walk. Occult, walk. Careful for bomb. Occult, guard rules the choke. Walk. Walk. Now we're good angle now. Careful. Come southeast more. They look. They're turning. Bam. Careful, they have now. Reeling edge, careful. They look, reeling edge. Okay, engaging deep southwest now. 5, 4, 3, don't deep southwest now. Me, on the run. Hit. Then you cycle. They don't have defensive. They don't have cycle pass, boys. Cycle pass. Come southwest, walk southwest.
3 seconds.
They also have now. They also have come south. Can walk in south. Keep walking south. They're engaging on the collar now. In
Ready now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the collar na hit. Collar dead. Then walk southwest. Careful, this sila ba? Can walk, keep walking. This sila ba? Careful lang, this sila ba? Walk. Wait, hold. Cycle pass. Yup, cycle. Walk. Careful. Come southeast. Wait. Careful, come walk now. Walk west. They're kiting too much. Keep going west. Yung SWs inside, may naiwan sa kanila.
Huwag mo kailangan mo i-call Martin, masyado malayo.
Occult now. Careful, shallow.
Rounding the choke. Wait.
Keep going. Keep going.
Full kiting.
Yep, they're full kiting. Their color died. Keep going. Their color died. Keep walking. Tell me pop.
Ready ako.
Keep going.
Gineko.
Big J. South is now. 5, 4, 3. Yung deep south is now. Big. Hit. Then you cycle. Then you this nice. Good job. Keep going. They're turning. Walk. Keep going southwest. Keep going southwest. Kisa you died. Keep going southwest.
Ready na, march ako. Ready.
Yung deep southwest now. 5, 4, 3. Don't deep southwest now. Puro gig pots. Guard run gig pots. Keep on. Careful on the choke. Hold. Careful on the choke. They look. Careful. Hold. Boys, hold. Careful on the choke.
Cycling ako.
They look on you. Careful on the choke. They look on you.
10 seconds to RJ.
Facing.
Hold. Wait. Holding.
Facing choke.
Wait, details careful.
Ready na.
Walk. Okay, walk. Careful on the choke.
Martin, deep west, Martin, over the wall.
Can we ball? Engaging deep southwest now in 5, 4.
Bam. Brim.
Brim.
Ako kayo.
Kameni. DPS dive. Kameni. Wala tayong defensive, guys. Kinol na yun ah. Brim daw. Brim. Kameni, guys. Kameni. Go to the bridge. Follow me. Go to the bridge. Kameni.
Papaster, papapunta na yung color nila.
Kaya, trigger comeback, guys. Trigger comeback. Hold it.
Sino yung...
Oh my
Guy
days. Oh my days. Laban nakaduk din sa bomb. Stop.
Wala mark dito sa party ito.
Careful.
Nakamark yan, party 2, sword mark.
Hold.
May perma ka pa, party 2.
Careful, Diluc. Yeah, just hold the choke, boys. Just hold the choke. Cycle your demons. Wala kayong demons. Cycle your demons. Hold. What the fuck? We're from 15D8 to 9D8 real quick. Careful, hold. Trigger yung comeback, boys. Careful, shallow.
TR kita ko ng ano.
Hold.
Basag
Oh
yung
my
per.
days.
Pitse.
Wala.
Hold, careful.
Ditang, saan ginagawa?
Ayan nga.
Yan.
Guys, already called it out. Datang, Shaper, Judge.
Pats dapat ganun eh. Kachok na eh.
Tuwad lang kayo dyan.
Diyan yung color, island DPS mo.
Come north. Walk. Don't stop. Walk northwest. Walk. Northwest, guys. Northwest. Holding here. Just push your northwest side. Get ready to fight northwest. Hold.
Ayun, may +1 na tayo. Ayun.
Guys, yung mga nasa southeast, guys, may hiwan kayo pagka nagkita. Yung, especially yung hard southeast, yung nasa mga nasa baba. Careful, show. Careful.
Ibrim pa, ha?
Yeah, careful, Brim. Careful, Diluc.
Heal nyo nga to. Ito.
Dito, careful. Yeah, just hold. Hold for now. We're waiting for Riggers, boys. Trigger and come back.
Pabalik.
Yeah, hold. I thought we're doing good there, bros. How the fuck we get bombed like that easily? And I know our demons are up. So why didn't we defensive, sir?
Ayun.
They're just baiting us, boys. Careful there. They're just baiting us. Careful. Ditans, don't get baited, ah.
Pwede ka mag-fake crit. Abot ko yun dito.
Sige nga. Teka. Kapit.
I just want in behind.
Guard run.
Drinching up pa.
Pag nag-fake, ha?
Yeah, just hold.
1, 2, 3.
Ready guardians in front, ah.
7, 8.
Just trigger, boys.
Magkita to.
Yeah, careful. That's fake.
One more guard run.
That's fake hold. They look. Nice stun.
Nice. Gago, sa?
Ba't naka-homesick tong shaper na to? What the fuck is this doing? Palisin nyo nga, pre.
Babalik sila.
Careful.
Brim,
Guard rune. Careful, Diluc. You're engaging shallow southwest now. And 5, 4, 3, 2, shallow southwest now. Head. Come northwest. They're pushing. Def. We're good. Whistle. Cycle pass.
Shaper.
Holding. Don't push. Hold.
One more engage.
Don't push, hold. Come back. They're just pulling us to their bomb. Hold. Patay, ikaw si. Ang ina, may soldier helmet on yun, di puta.
Tanga na tier 7 lang yan, di pa mapatay.
Hold.
Try mo palang basin ng choke, boy.
Yeah. Come northwest, boys. Drag them to. Yo, Ditax, get ready to stop them. GA nga sila kapag kalagan. Hold there. Kapag nag-i-jump sila, sabihin nyo.
Tumpong yan ah. Ganun yung...
Kapag nag-i-jump, sabihin nyo. Yo, Ditax, come here. Come here to me. Ditax, come here. Step up.
Engage yung shaper.
Pull back. Nag-i-jump sila.
No.
Are they aging up?
No.
Hold there. Hold there. Let me know if they're inching up. They're walking southeast side. Come east. Come southeast. Then southwest now.
Here, ha? Brim bomb, ha?
Come southwest. Come southwest. You push your southwest up the hill. We kite towards southwest up the hill, boys.
Namatay.
Then face southeast. Kita nyo to southwest over the, up there. We kite there. Then walk east. Walk east. Can you cut? Can you cut backline? Oh my days. Oh my days.
Ito,
Yo, one screen na sa'yo.
Alright, hold.
nag-engage Mark yan, nag-engage.
Alright, wait, may bump yan. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. May bump pa isa.
Hold
Hold, careful the choke, careful the choke. Careful for the bumps, careful the holding.
Over the wall, care.
Careful,
Umakyat sila,
bump,
umakyat sila.
north, west, come east. Push your east side. Push your east side, boys. Push your east side. Stay away from the northwest side. Okay, hold. Careful shallow, they look. Come northwest, come north.
Prim bam yan, prim bam.
Wait, shallow southwest up and now. In 5, 4, 3, don't shallow south. Tangina guard. Come north, cycle. Pull them up north.
4 seconds.
Yo, meron pa sila ano.
Pop your boots west side. Ikot tayo. Pop your boots west side. Pakita ang galan. Come west side. Occult.
Sige na, bossy.
Huwag yan.
Dahil west.
Huwag mo yung naiwan.
Come south now. Dalawa ba hold ko? Come south east now. Come south east. They're following right.
Ikaw ah.
Yeah.
Come north now. Face north now. Careful on the choke ha. You're careful bomb behind ha. May bomb behind natin ha. Careful bomb. One dito. Come south east. Come south east again. Keep walk me. You're careful over the wall. They can turn to us ha. Careful over the wall ha. Come south.
Hiki,
They can turn na.
Prim bam.
Nice though. Guys, come now. 5, 4, 3. Don't the brim na.
Isa, nice.
Hold, come south east more.
Cycling ako, cycling.
One screen away now, one screen away.
Hold there.
One screen na sa'yo.
Hold, yeah. Kita ko. Hold. Stay away from the ano. Okay, come west side more. Push your west side. Stay away from the east side. Great, hold. Come guys,
Engage.
walk. Ba't ka na dyan? Ano ka, DPS ka.
Ready?
Meron sila.
Walk. Keep going south.
Straight east.
You're engaging shallow east side, southeast of na yun. 5, 4, 3. Doon southeast of now. Then come east side. Guide east side.
lalim nyo dyan.
Oh my god.
Cycling.
Oh my god. D-tanks. You're getting
Ready
far.
anytime.
Kami wala yung masyado.
Step up.
Yun nila.
Step up, kamis.
Facing.
They look, careful, hold. Wait, step up now. Hold.
Headbutt to boy.
Yup. Hold.
Pats, ready pats.
Naging binay yung corner nila.
Come southeast.
Atay.
Come engage. Oh my days. Come east. So hold. Can we hold? Can we catch? Can we GA? Wala.
Kapal na ito.
Can we GA?
Meron pa sila engage pa sila.
Careful, they sila ba? Brim is stacking deep east siya. Brim nyo sa may wala. Wait, hold.
Minamatan ko lang, minamatan.
Step up east. They will turn on the choke. They will turn in the corner. They will turn. Careful. They're looking now. Wait. Hold it. Then walk east. They turn now. They will turn. Boss, they're just pulling you guys. Careful. Ready defensives. Walk east. Def now. Yo, engaging deep east of it now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east. Cycle.
Cycling ako.
Looking yung bampano.
Come west.
Nice, Jay.
Come west. They're just pulling us. They pull them. Come west.
Looking.
Come west. Ditang come west. Wala akong kinocall. Come west. Come west. Hold. May kidnap tayo. Come west again. Holding. Come west again. Keep walking west. Hold. Keep walking west. So can we kidnap? Hold.
Hindi, kidnapin natin.
Come west again. Can we kidnap?
DPS, follow the heart.
Yo, J ngayon. Oh.
Nag-guard drone, Marchan. Nag-guard drone na
Alright,
kasama.
hold.
Useless yung J ko.
Step up. They will turn, boys. They will turn. Nice GA. Hold. Release is coming up.
Patay ka dyan.
Hold. They look. Hold. Bomb. Holding.
Yo, brim.
Kamis na. Walk. Keep going. Catch them.
Cycling ako, Marchan.
Guys, catch them, boys. Catch them.
Three seconds.
Keep on easy,
Two,
keep on
ready
easy, keep on
anytime.
easy, keep on easy. You're engaging shallow on the green mark now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, shallow now. Come back. Oh my days.
Oh.
Come west.
May engage, may engage. Bam.
Come west. Ang
CD.
pangit. Ang kalat ng laro natin is.
Looking.
Come west. Pull them, cycle. Pull them, come west. Ang
Ang
pangit.
CD, RJ.
Engage na kayo,
2 seconds.
Ang kalat ng
Okay,
DPS,
engage.
ewan ko bakit. Kamis,
Walang damage, boy.
may damage tayo, hindi lang
Look na yung
nagkakonnect.
bomb north, be careful.
Careful north side bomb careful Ready to stop. Come west.
Meron na yun,
Bakit kasi ang daming alay dito? Hindi ako nag-enjoy. Ang taas ng DA natin. Homesick pa. Come west.
Sabihin mo sa chat.
Wala na makapian, Martin ah.
Healing sickness.
Looking yung bomb nila.
Homesick, Vera. Your boys are homesick. I don't know.
Nabera.
Pwede ako pick.
Wait, hold.
Yan.
Yo, can we fake occult now? Yo, occult then fake Wait, faking east side now. 3, 2, 1, faking now. You're engaging shallow on the green mark now, boys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the green mark now. Hit. Come back, west.
Ka.
Pre,
Hindi na buhay.
Look
Yung
them.
Oh my days, wala na. Ayoko na. Run. Kamas. Ayoko na. Kamas. Stop your boots, kamas. Ayoko na.
Malakay ka.
Vera, I want to run. Out. We're just getting farmed.
Wala ka sa harap.
Just run. Just getting farmed, man.
Parang di po. Support tulog. Gagawin natin dyan. Ilan yung mace mo? Ang dalawa lang nagga-guard run eh.
Ang dami mong tanks pero wala nag-hold. Pag pushing ka na.
Ang dami nating D-tanks, ang dami kong heavy mace, ang dami kong GA, ang dami kong arcanes. May icicle tayo. Ba't ang bilis nila nakakalapit sa atin? Ang dami nating bedrock. Pero bakit tayo kapag magte-turn na tayo, hindi tayo makalapit? Diba? Why? Ayoko na. Out na natin yun.